Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best foldable treadmills in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is XTERRA Fitness TR150 Folding Treadmill Black. XTERRA Fitness is another popular brand among shopping readers, and the folding TR150 treadmill features a knob that you pull to fold or unfold the deck. This model sports a 5-inch LCD monitor that displays your speed. You can run up to 10 miles per hour, time, distance, calories burned, pulse and incline level. It also features 12 preset workout programs and 3 incline settings. Crouchily previously recommended this folding treadmill for novice runners who are on a budget. Large 16 inches into 50 inches walking or running surface. Large 5-inch LCD display is easy to read and keeps you updated on speed, incline, time, distance, calories, and pulse. Speed range 0.5 to 10 miles per hour allows for users of all fitness levels. Pull the knob to release the deck to fold or unfold. 12 preset programs offer unmatched variety for your workouts. 3 manual incline settings allow for maximum variety. Side rails, plastic. This product can expose you to chemicals including toluene and acrylamide, which are known to the state of California to cause cancer, birth defects, or other reproductive harm. Number 2. Our second best pick is Weslo Cadence Folding Treadmill, easy assembly with Bluetooth. For a comfortable workout with minimal joint pain afterwards, the Weslo Cadence Folding Treadmill was designed for a comfortable workout. Using Comfort Cell cushioning technology, the treadmill provides added support to help prevent joint aches and pains post-workout. Target specific muscle groups too with the adjustable incline settings. When you're done exercising, the space-saver design allows you to easily fold up the treadmill for storing away afterwards. Happy customer, I bought this so I could keep doing cardio in the winter without needing to join a gym. Works great and is easy to operate. Assembly was simple and only took about 15 minutes. It's enjoyable running on it. It is quiet and smooth. I would recommend this to other people and would buy again. If you want to bypass iFit activation, press and hold the Bluetooth button for approximately 30 seconds while the machine is turned on. Space saver design. Simply fold your machine's treadmill deck up when you are done working out in one easy step. Integrated tablet holder. Keeps your tablet secure and conveniently close. Connect via smartphone to your equipment. Why we like it? Space-saving design for easy storage. Customize workout with target muscle settings. Supportive cushioning to help avoid post-workout joint soreness. Number 3. Our third best pick is Sunny Health and Fitness Asuna Premium Slim Folding Treadmill Running Machine. This folding treadmill from Sunny Health and Fitness tops out at 8 miles per hour, making it ideal for walking and jogging. It also comes with speakers and a tablet holder, and folds up horizontally so it can slide right under your bed or couch when you're not using it. Talk about saving space. Easy to use display. Watch your workout progress in real time with the 4-window display. View your time, distance, speed, and calories burned all at the same time. Use the integrated pedometer to track your steps during each exercise session. Extremely portable. This running treadmill can be easily and securely folded flat with the included folding key. Take advantage of the low-profile design, which makes it easy to slide the machine under surfaces and move it from room to room. Folding tool. Turn the tool counterclockwise in the frame locks to fold the treadmill frame. After it is folded, use the treadmill key to secure the frame in place. Keep the tool handy by placing it in its dedicated slot at the base of the treadmill. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Bifanuo 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill at under $400. This compact folding treadmill is the best deal for walking workouts at home. It comes completely installed with a 5-layer shock-absorbing base that is cushy on your joints, and an anti-skid, noise reduction belt that is whisper quiet. The LED screen tracks your workout time, calories burned, and other vitals, while an easy-to-reach safety key lets you quickly stop the treadmill to prevent falls. You could definitely buy this to get our family a little bit more active during COVID and to use it as a walking treadmill under your stand-up desk. It functions great. We put it in the family room. Most of yous frequently walk on it while watching a family movie, and when you are done with it, you can slide it under the couch. Enjoy a quiet workout with a powerful motor perfect for walking, jogging and running in the comfort of your own home, speed ranging between 0.5 to 6.5 miles per hour. The product contains one folding electric treadmill, one English manual. The shipping address: Los Angeles and New Jersey. Ensure that buyers in various places can receive packages faster. Why we like it: easily foldable, powerful but quiet, powerful 2.25 horsepower motor, multifunctional LED display. This 2-in-1 treadmill arrives fully assembled. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is XTERRA Fitness TRX 4500 treadmill. This treadmill is definitely a splurge, but all the bells and whistles it comes with and the lifetime motor warranty make it a worthy investment for walkers and runners alike. The large, backlit LCD display keeps track of all your progress and vital stats, and comes pre-programmed with 30 motivating workouts. You can download the XTERRA Fitness app for even more. Easily adjust the speed and incline with a remote control that is built into the handle. A wireless chest strap transmitter and pulse grips keep track of your heart rate with accuracy and efficiency. A magnetic safety tether attaches to your waistband, automatically stopping the belt to provide a safeguard from falls. There's even a built-in fan to keep you cool. When you're done with your workout, wheels and a lift assist help you easily fold the treadmill for storage. This is an incredibly solid treadmill which replaced my last treadmill of 15 years. You can walk 4 days and run 3 days a week, around 3 miles daily. This perfectly fits for your needs. It has all the settings and accessories. It's very high quality for its price. It's much quieter than my previous treadmill. Why we like it: oversized 7.5 blue backlit LCD display, 30 preset programs, sturdy, foldable aluminium frame with cushioned deck. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all about for this review. Feel free to share your feedback, like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.